Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make some traditional Indian sweet, Mysore Pak. This needs only 3 main ingredients. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Grease a tray with some ghee and keep it ready. Make sure to use a small deep tray, or your Mysore Pak would be very flat. Take 1 cup of gram flour and sift it to get rid of any possible lumps. For 1 cup of flour, I am using a 7x7 tray. You can use a smaller one too, but avoid bigger trays. Take 1½ cup of sugar in a pan. Add half a cup of water and boil till you reach one string consistency. Add a little crushed cardamom to get a nice flavor. Add this soon after adding water. But I forgot to add it then, so I am adding it now. At this stage, keep 1 cup of ghee and 3 tablespoons of oil in the other stove over a low flame. Now the syrup is boiling and has reached one string consistency. Now add in some of the sifted gram flour and keep stirring to avoid lumps. Add the rest of the gram flour little by little, mixing well after each addition. Keep stirring this until it starts boiling. Now add a little of the hot ghee. The ghee has to be very hot. Now keep mixing continuously. Add a little more of the ghee. It is to be so hot that you can hear a sizzling noise as you pour it. And the mixture has to froth and form bubbles after each addition of ghee. So let the pan of ghee simmer in a low flame while you are mixing this pan. You can see that almost all of the ghee has been absorbed. Add a few more ghee. Repeat the process until all the ghee is used. Pour around 1/4 cup of ghee each time. All the ghee is absorbed, so I am going to add more of the remaining ghee. Now I am going to add the last batch of ghee. Then keep mixing till you get the right consistency. After mixing for a minute or two, increase the flame. Then mix vigorously in high flame for a few seconds. Turn off the flame as soon as you see holes forming like this, and immediately pour it into the greased tray. Now let it set for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cut them into squares or rectangles. Don't wait for too long, or the Mysore Pak would harden, and you won't be able to cut easily. Now let them cool completely for 1 or 2 hours before serving. Now our delicious Mysore Pak is ready to be enjoyed. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.